your life and you're good and you're not complaining, do you. Like, don't work at all. I don't give a f. Stop watching f***ing entire seasons of f***ing, House of Cards, because if you're complaining and I audit you, I promise you, I will find 4 hours that you're not doing jack shit. You're...
Hey Mom.
Donna, did you get a job yet?
Oh my god, you're so annoying.
It's kind of funny that Gary Vee practically says some of the things my mom and dad says, just in a less annoying and way cooler way. Welcome to Psych IRL. My name is Donna, and entrepreneurial YouTubers are scamming you. Okay, that might have been a little bit too much, but this is gonna be one of those videos where it seems like I'm calling someone out, but I'm not. I'm just really annoyed and frustrated at a certain type of entrepreneurial YouTubers. Because in the grand scheme of things, I actually love entrepreneurial YouTubers. Gary Vee is actually one of my favorites, and if you are a creative or just entrepreneur in general, I definitely recommend his stuff because he presents information in a non-selly way, and it's very motivational and it's actually very practical. What is an entrepreneurial YouTuber, or what is the kind of content they make? If you've ever seen content about how to make money as a teen, how to make money as a teenager, apparently teenagers really need to make money these days. That's better than drugs, I suppose. Videos of that sort, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to improve your Amazon business, your Shopify business, all of that fall in to the entrepreneurial realm. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with these kinds of videos. Again, I'm annoyed by a certain type of entrepreneurial YouTuber. And this type of person is a person that makes these types of videos without doing the thing themselves. They will make a video and the information they're placing in that video is pulled from different people who've actually done the thing. And they're basically copying and pasting it onto their video. And in general, those videos get a lot of views. How to make money videos get a lot of views. And they know this information. So their video will get a lot of traffic. And in the description, they're gonna place some sort of course, a $10 course on how to grow your YouTube channel or how to improve your Shopify business. And all that traffic, well, not all, but some of that traffic will lead to their course, and they will all of a sudden make money. Now, it really annoys me that people are telling you how to do something without doing the thing themselves. It's fraud, it's disingenuous, and I don't like it. Now, there's another side to the story where people say, well, it was a scam at first, but now it's legitimate because they end up doing the thing. But you know what? I disagree. Let's actually look at an example so you know what I'm talking about. This guy is teaching us how to get 1,000 subscribers, but he has like 400 himself, so he's either he's not taking his own advice or whatever. But I'm gonna blur everything out. I don't want drama. I don't want to call anyone out. I'm not about that. So let's actually look into his channel. He has a lot of Shopify videos, and then he's also doing more videos on how to get more YouTube video views and how to get more subscribers. Again, you're not taking your own advice or something. Like, how come you're not doing this thing yourself? Why is your channel not up to par with whatever it is you're saying? As suspected, he has a course, a Shopify course, in his channel header. And it's a Shopify is spelled wrong in his header. It's show iffy, because this website is really iffy. Now, to be fair, I don't know how well he does on Shopify. He could do really well or really poorly. I don't know. I've never taken the course. I've never looked into it. Like, I've never purchased it. But if his course is a reflection of his YouTube channel, then personally, I would stay away. Okay, so another way people make money on YouTube is by affiliate marketing. And now what that basically is look, I have a microphone. It cost me $17. If you like it, I'll leave it down in the description below. And that link is actually something called an affiliate link. And every person that clicks that link or buys that product that I'm mentioning, I actually get a cut from Amazon or whatever program it is that I got that link from. I get a cut of that, whether that's 10%, 5%, depends on the program. but essentially, I think there's nothing wrong with this if the YouTuber actually likes the product and if the YouTuber actually uses the product. The problem is some YouTubers abuse this and promote whatever affiliate link they can. I've personally seen this in the cryptocurrency realm with a platform called BitConnect. BitConnect was this legitimate Bitcoin lending platform where people would lend their BitConnect to this platform, and they had supposedly a volatility trading bot. And that trading bot was more efficient at trading than any human could ever trade. So they would earn more money than a human. And the lenders would get interest daily from this robot. Now, the math didn't add up, and a lot of people were speculating that it's a Ponzi scheme. So half of YouTubers, actually more than half of YouTubers, were against this platform. And they were calling people out who were promoting this thing, but the other half of YouTubers loved this platform because they were getting a commission from every person they referred to this platform. And that commission was so good, 50% I think, or 7, I don't know, I don't remember, but it was a really high amount of money, and so they would promote this thing and they would back this thing no matter what. So at the end of the day, BitConnect collapsed and it was a Ponzi scheme, and the problem with that was some of these YouTubers were promoting BitConnect as the best strategy for beginners to invest in cryptocurrency. Even if I did think BitConnect was legitimate, I would not promote something with so much controversy behind it as the best strategy for investing in cryptocurrency for beginners. It just doesn't make sense. So I know that video was a little ranty and a little negative, but I do hope you take something away from what I said, and that's something I hope is realize that every single YouTuber has a motive, even me. Whether that be trying to grow their channel and get views, or they're sponsored by some sort of product, affiliate marketing, anything like that, realize that motive before you buy the thing they're talking about. Do your own research and be smart. I'll see you guys next time. Stay psyched.